Hey guys, it's the Average Joe back with another video, and today we have an unboxing. As you can see, I finally got the iPhone 17 Pro. I say finally because I think I'm one of the last people that got it where I am right now. I got it at about 7 p.m. Usually it's FedEx, which comes at like 10 a.m., but this time around it was UPS, which comes at 7 p.m. So I was pretty bummed. But anyway, it's here, so I'm gonna kind of go over it with you, unbox it, and then we'll kind of compare it to the iPhone 16 Pro, which is what I've been using for the past year. So I got it in silver, 512 gigs. Let's open it. We got the standard pull tabs on the back to kind of open it up. And then it should just slide out like so. And there we have the phone in all of its glory. So let's just pull this out here, and you get the USB Type-C to C cable, and that's about it. No SIM ejector or anything because this is eSIM. So there we go. I feel like I'll just do the pull right here. Oh, that's satisfying. Okay. So I feel like let's just, I got the Pro, not the Pro Max because I like the smaller size, but let's just do a little size comparison. It is similar. I feel like the corners are definitely more rounded, and this is the natural titanium, and this is the silver. So, and as you can see on the back, they went with a unibody aluminum, which I think is cool, and they finally brought that over from the MacBooks. And this part right here is glass. It's their Ceramic Shield 2, and they put a vapor chamber in the phone to help with the heat dissipation, which is also why they went with aluminum. So this whole piece back here, minus the glass, is one piece, which I think is cool. And right here you have the antenna bands. And yeah, I mean, it does definitely feel more rounded on the corners, as you can tell. So I think it does feel better in the hands. Now, and you can see right there, there is a slight bit of more glare reduction, I guess. I don't know how much better that is in your eyes. I do have a tempered glass screen shield on my 16 Pro. But they look like they're about the same size. So I'm going to attempt to try to install a 16 Pro tempered glass screen shield on my 17 Pro in another video. I do have more cases. I do have a bunch actually that were sent to me in advance. So stay subscribed, hit the bell notification, leave this video a like if you found it helpful at all. So that you get notified and you know that, when the case videos come live, you'll be one of the first to see it. But anyway, let me know what model, line, color, storage option you got in the comments below. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to show you the phone that I got. I'm excited to mess with this. And yeah, take it easy, guys.